Hello friends, and welcome back to Tea Time with Teacher Esther. So today I am drinking a new tea. It is called Chá de Capim Cidreira. Well, it's kind of new to me. It's a Brazilian tea. It's actually lemongrass tea, and it's supposed to be calming and soothing. So I was going to make this video a couple hours ago and started brewing this tea, and then I ended up taking a nap and I have class in an hour, so I will make this short. But today I want to talk briefly about TPR. So what is TPR? It stands for Total Physical Response. So TPR is a language teaching method. It was developed by this professor named James Asher, and it's basically a way of coordinating movement and words together to help the student learn a new language. So like when you are first learning your native tongue, you learn a lot by watching and listening and imitating. And so this theory is kind of based on that idea of how we learn our native tongue. Once they understand the meaning, they can start speaking. And this is called Comprehensible Input. So in online English teaching, we often have instructional TPR and then educational TPR. So in my demo and my mock videos, which I will link here somewhere, I go into that a little bit. And so instructional TPR is, well, it's kind of self-explanatory. You're giving them some idea of what they are supposed to do. So when I want them to pay attention to a word, I can point to my mouth and re-say the word and then cut my ear, or I might do when I want them to repeat. And then educational TPR could be like when I'm teaching them new vocabulary, like I'm teaching them the word dog. Ruff, ruff. And you can do like some noises or something. And especially with the young ones, they can get really into this. And I can try to show you some clips at the end if you stay with me till the end. So one example of a time where TPR would be crucial would be when you are asking a question, especially for a young learner. Like you don't want to just, keep your face like the same, like, how are you? Like it's because they don't know that you're expecting them to respond to your question. So it's good to be like, how are you? Like raise your shoulder, put out your hands, and then like make sure that they know they are supposed to respond. With completely newbies, like they may not even have any idea what they're supposed to do. And so maybe I can give them some cues like, I am fine. I am happy. Sad? Are you sad? And then try to get them to say a sentence. If they're like happy, you can be like, I am happy. And then cup your ear so they know that they are supposed to respond. So that is some very basic instructional TPR for you. So I love Teacher Tina's videos. If you haven't checked them out, I encourage you to do so. She has a great video on TPR, and she mentions that she likes to make her TPR kind of rhythmic, like according to the syllables in a word. So like for basketball, she'd go basketball, basketball. And I think that might be helpful too. I hear that a lot of kids learn very well through song. And so anytime you can use total physical response, getting them engaged, and then adding like some music or chant or something as well, I think that would really help. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you are a teacher of English online and you would like to share about your experience using TPR, what is your favorite TPR? Would you please comment below? That would be awesome. Until next time, peace.
Whoa! Hello! How are you? Are you happy? Yeah. I am happy too. My name is Esther. Can you say, Teacher Esther? Teacher Esther. Esther, good. What is your name? What is your name? Lisa? I am Lisa. Oh, yes. I like it. I like your hair. Your hair. It is very pretty. Pretty. Ooh. Lisa, cute puppy ears. Puppy ears. Good. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go.